This tutorial will guide you how to borrow money from Opay. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. If you open Opay on your phone, it will look like this. Now on the screen here, you should see loan. So click on the loan icon here that is indicated by loan. Now also click on the loan, then it will come on this section here which shows easy money. Now on the easy money section, it will tell you here you can get up to credit limit up to 2.5 million naira. Now select here get limit. Now also click on the get limit. It will come on this page here which is in process. So wait for the process to finish. Then once the process finishes, it will take you to this section here which shows your available loan limit. You can see here my available loan limit is up to 2,000 naira. Now if you still want to take a loan, you can just select here get funds. Now also select get funds. It will take you to this section here on the get funds page. Now it will show you a loan tenure with a monthly interest which is 30%. Now the loan tenure is how long until you pay the loan, which is 30 days, which is 1 month, with a monthly interest of up to 30%. Now this is a very crazy interest which is so big, with an interest which is 600 naira. So if you take a loan of 2,000, you'll pay an interest of 30%, which is 600 naira. Now if you still want to take it, you can select this take this loan. So if you click on this take this loan, it will come on this section here which shows a loan processing. It says here your loan application is under review. The result may be either successfully or declined. Please be patient and pay more attention. So you can select here back to my loan. So also it shows here loan processing, which is easy money processing. Then that's how you have applied for a loan. Then it's still under review. So you have to wait until the review finishes. You can either get it or it may be declined. So that's how you can apply for a loan using the Opay application. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.